All right. So we're selling an ebook. That's our vehicle. All right. In our ebook, what we're going to do is start telling them how to do X, Y, Z. Okay, you're going to break that down in your ebook. Now, there's a lot of ways to create your ebook. I'm not going to tell you in this video. I'm just giving you the step-by-step framework that I use. Okay, but I suggest that you sell an ebook. An ebook can be a low or mid-cost product that people are comfortable buying. You'd be surprised how much $29, $47, $37 adds up real quickly, because people can comfortably pay that amount versus something that sells for $4.97 or $9.97 or any other price 4 figures and above. All right, so that's a comfortable price to start selling a digital product. But before you start selling that digital product, you want to make sure you're collecting their email addresses with a freebie. So you're going to learn that when you're getting all that data from all the people that you interviewed or the people that you were asking, or maybe you went on ChatGPT and just asked it what's the biggest problems that these people are having. And you're even going to discover why you're putting out the content. In your comments, people are going to be asking you some questions, and there's going to be some repetitive things that they're asking you over and over. So now you can create a freebie, which is a free download that you can give them in exchange for their email address. All right. So while you're putting out that content, getting ready for your ebook, you should already have a freebie, or start preparing your freebie alongside your ebook. Okay. And that freebie only solves one problem, that immediate problem that they're having. Okay, we're not trying to give away all the sauce. That's what the ebook is for. Maybe they don't know how to put out content. All right, they're asking you, how do you sell your ebook? What content do I put out? All right, first in the beginning, you'll say, here are my top performing content, blah, 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 checklist that you can put out to attract buyers, whatever that thing is. And that freebie is just giving broad information. We're answering their questions in the freebie, okay? And it's got to be a real good freebie. I don't want you to think that because you're giving it away for free that it's trash and it doesn't really help them. You actually want to help them in the freebie. But what I do want you to understand is, don't overdo it. Make it quick and simple, okay? We're just solving this one particular problem. Everything else they want to know, and all the next steps and all the new problems that are even created once a person solves that problem, is for your actual product, and that's what they're paying for. They see the value in your ebook. Now, in your freebie, okay, you have to be thorough. You have to give some value, because it's going to set the tone of whether or not they want to purchase anything for you when your ebook is ready. But if your freebie is trash, you're increasing the potential of them saying, yo, this freebie didn't help me with anything. Why should I buy their ebook? You don't want them to think or feel that way. You want them to say, yo, he's giving me all this information for free. If I buy this product, he's going to blow my mind. All right. So you have to give away a very good freebie. So we're going to recap again, because I know I'm moving fast. Choose your niche. Narrow down your audience. Step 2, interview them. Find out what problem they're having. Step 3, once you have that information, put out content. Step 4, create your freebie so that you can give away in exchange for their email addresses as you grow on social media while you're putting out that content. And then step 4.5, also be creating your ebook.